GoVoce VC100 is the world's first car charger that works with Siri and Google Assistant. Hey Siri, bring me to Window of the World.
Getting directions to Window of the World.
Hey Siri, call Gordon Josh.
Calling Gordon Josh Mobile.
Hey Siri, play some music.
Okay.
When they try to bring us down, we only go up.
Hey Siri. With far-field voice technology, passenger at the back seat can also control VC100 without any problem. Now, let's try Android Mobile. Okay, Google. Send message arrived in your place within 10 minutes to Ryan by WhatsApp.
Sending your message to Ryan.
Okay, Google. Set alarm clock of 3 p.m.
Alright, your alarm is set for 3 p.m.
There is more you can do. Hey Siri, open the air conditioner in the living room.
Okay, the air conditioner is open.
When you are driving, there is always lots of noise, such as traffic noise, noise from people on the street, music you are hearing, and construction noise. All these noises will greatly affect Voice Assistant to hear you. But with VC100 Super Noise Cancellation technology, this isn't a problem. VC100 can pick up your voice even in very loud environment. VC100 has 2 USB charge ports, a button to bring up Voice Assistant and change FM frequency, 2 microphones to capture your voice, and a 3-color LED to show the status. So how does VC100 work? First, you say the wake-up command, Hey Siri, or Okay Google, then you tell VC100 what you want to do. Once the VC100 hears your command, it will transform your voice into digital data and send to your phone. The phone voice assistant will then communicate to their server to analyze your voice and send back the result. The phone voice assistant will then issue the command. At the same time, all the voice will output to the car radio so you can hear the result. VC100 is compatible to any smartphone that has voice assistant. Any car with power outlet and FM radio can use VC100. VC100 supports multiple languages. As long as your phone assistant supports your language, you can speak to VC100 without any problem. Thank you for your backup.